Hi, in this video, we're going to see how we can find the equation of a quadratic function if we are given the vertex and a point. Now, you're going to see the given in two different forms. Either I can give you the graph, show you the graph, and show you 2 points on the graph, or in words, I can give you the point coordinates for a vertex and another point on the parabola. Remember, we are talking about quadratic, which means we need to keep in mind x squared. We need to decide on a form that we're going to write our equation with. Now, from one form, we can go to another, but the easiest to start with is the vertex form that I'm writing right now. And why? Because we are given the vertex. So this is the vertex form. If we look at the graph, it's easy to find or to differentiate between the vertex and the other point because a vertex, keep in mind, is always a minimum or a maximum. So here's the vertex. So I know from the first one, I have h and k of the vertex. So I will plug them in. So ax plus 1 squared minus 3. And instead of f of x, you can always write y. So keep in mind that whenever you need to. The only thing missing to have a complete equation would be a. Now there's one given that we didn't use yet, which is 1 comma 5. So I would substitute x and y. So 5 equals a, this is our unknown. This is what we're solving for. 1 plus 1 squared minus a 3 and 1 because the x is 1. 5 equals a, remember PEMDAS again, parentheses, exponent, then multiplication. So this will be 4a minus a 3. Add 3 on each side. You get 4a equals 8. And you're going to divide by 2. And you're going to get a equals 4. So your complete equation of the quadratic function will be f of x equal 4x plus 1 squared minus a 3. Now, keep in mind that it has to make sense. Our parabola opens up, so the a has to be positive. If we get a negative answer by accident because we did a mistake, we need to reflect on our answer. Now, 43 and 44 are exactly the same thing, except that the vertex is given in point format. It's not given in a graph. And the other point is also given in coordinate or point format. The last thing I want to discuss in this video is how to go from a form to another. So this is the vertex form, but it's very easy to go to the standard form. All what you gotta do is distribute this term. You can write it twice and distribute it, which I don't encourage you to do. I encourage you to do the special cases. Square the first, double product, 2 times first times second, and last term squared. And this is how we distribute the x plus 1 squared. So x squared plus 2x plus 1. And you distribute the 4. You can rearrange and have a nice standard form. So this is 4x squared plus 8x plus 1. And this would be our standard form. Now, to go to the factored form, of course, this is easy, which what we're going to do is we're going to factor. So you're going to factor using the x method, and you will get the factored form.